people shared 15 plus phrases they find the most annoying, as people tend to prefer one color to another, and one dish to another. They also have their preferences for words and phrases they like to hear as well. While there are phrases that please our ears and give us pleasant goosebumps when we hear them, there are also those that make us cringe and feel as if we are going to burst with annoyance when we hear them. These phrases are individual for every person. They can annoy one person, while the other one might find them absolutely normal. We at Brightside found the Reddit thread where people shared the phrases they don't like hearing from others, and now we are rushing to share them with you. When people use this to cheer you up, but you get even more depressed by it. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Yes, it does. That's why tall buildings have lightning rods. Not a phrase, but I hate when people say, irregardless. With its older sister phrase, come see me in my office. Copyright Meryl Squirrel / Read With Me X was, and still is, like this. She'll say stuff like, I need to talk to you about something. I'll call you after work. Like 8 hours before she finishes. So what? I'm supposed to just stress all day, only for you to call me after work about something completely benign? Why not just call me after work without the foreboding message? Now if she does this, I just call her straight away and ask her what's up. It's not a phrase, but the word hubby makes me cringe every single time I see or hear it. Copyright Maddie/Cringe /Reddit, with all due respect, is almost always coupled with an insult or unsolicited advice. You might as well say, prepare to be disrespected. This one makes me irrationally angry. Happy birthday to this one. Date night with this one. So thankful for this one. Copyright Lucifer/Reddit, 30 things that shocked the world. You won't believe number 9. I don't. You can voice your opinion, and I'm allowed to ignore it, criticize it, debunk it, or ridicule it. Copyright Darkness/Reddit, you're gonna have to figure something out. Usually set in an impossible situation that someone else has caused, but expects me to fix. Copyright WashJockey/Reddit, are there any phrases that annoy you? Please share them with us in the comments.